In many casting processes, there is a special method. It relies on the centrifugal force generated during rotation to cast metal parts. This is centrifugal casting. Let's find out. It's called centrifugal casting. It is to inject metal liquid into the high-speed rotating column. Centrifugal force distributes it evenly on the inner wall. After it solidifies, the desired cast product is obtained. The products made by the centrifugal casting process are of very high quality, such as in the marine and aerospace fields. Metal products face the test of harsh environments such as high corrosion, strong ultraviolet rays, and high temperature. And centrifugal casting can provide high-quality metal parts for these fields. Centrifugal casting was first used to produce cast pipes. Then this process developed rapidly. In addition to marine and aerospace, it is also used in metallurgy, mining, transportation, and other industries. Let's take a look at the casting process. Pour the melted metal into a preheated rotating mold. The mold can be rotated on a vertical or horizontal axis. The function of centrifugal force is to deposit the liquid metal on the inner wall of the mold. The continuous centrifugal force will make the molten metal on the inner wall dense. The less dense impurities will float on the inner diameter surface, waiting for the casting to solidify. The part is taken out of the mold. The residual impurities in the inner diameter will be removed. This results in high-quality components. During the casting process, since the inner surface of the casting is formed freely, the control of the thickness of the casting is entirely determined by the amount of liquid metal. Therefore, the quantitative requirements for the cast metal are relatively high. In addition, since the casting is carried out under rotation, in order to eliminate the phenomenon of metal splashing as much as possible, it is necessary to control the direction of metal entering the mold well. The centrifugal casting process does not rely on the continuous feeding of the rubber port. This results in melting at the center during the solidification process. Fusion funds are continuously available. In addition, unlike traditional casting, molten alloys solidify from the outside to the inside. This helps to eliminate stamino defects. Centrifugal casting is an important process in modern industry, and it's very widely used. This process guarantees durable and high-performance components at a lower cost. But the process is limited to casting cylindrical shapes, and it has size limitations. After reading the centrifugal casting process, does it increase knowledge again?